guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another human hair headband wig for you guys. By now I have tons on my channel, all price points. Check out my headband wig playlist if you haven't. I have synthetic options on there as well as the human hair one, so check it out. Today's video is brought to you by Julia Hair on AliExpress. They sent me one of their human hair headband wigs, and we're gonna check it out and see how it compares to some of the other ones that I've tried. So far I have tried, I think, like 5 or 6 curly ones, but 2 other ones that were similar, Destiny from My First Wig, and then a curly one from Y Wigs. And I compared and contrasted those, and we'll see what this one is like. All right, so here is the wig that they sent me here. This is the longest curly wig that I've tried, and I washed it this morning and I blow dried it, and this is what it looks like. So if you do have a shiny wig, like with my Y wigs, I didn't wash that before I did the review, so it was a little bit shiny. If you want to knock down that shine, definitely wash it beforehand. So this is what it looks like. The curl pattern is stunning, and I'm excited to have this super long length because we're getting into fall, and so I'm here for it. But what I will say about this cap construction, so with My First Wig's Destiny and even the wig from Y Wigs, which was a cheaper price point, those particular wigs have that mesh cap where you don't have any tracks or holes in it. So I mean, you can't scratch your head as easily through those kinds of wigs, but you can't see your wig cap through it. So I do like the construction of those 2 wigs versus this one. This one is kind of constructed like a synthetic wig with the holes in it, with the tracks sewn onto the cap. So I have on a lighter wig cap, so if I try to put it up in a ponytail and stuff, I'm gonna have to make sure it's concealed because the tracks are sewn on the cap versus how My First Wig's Destiny and Y Wigs curly wig that I tried were constructed. So keep that in mind. But on the flip side, this wig is a lot cheaper than those other 2. This one is probably the cheapest one out of them. This is 24 inches. It's $180. So it's a lot cheaper than those other 2. You guys saw the unboxing. More similar to synthetic wigs, which have longer combs in the front. So keep that in mind. Actually, I think because this is a more affordable human hair wig, I am going to attempt to wear this without the combs. And I told you guys that I eventually would do that, so I'm gonna do it today and see how it goes. So what I do to take my combs out, I use my razor and I just go underneath where the comb is sewn on there, and I just take it out that way. It's so easy to do that. Now, the comb that I will keep with this wig is the one in the back, because I really don't have issues with, you know, thinning or anything back there. Actually, my hair in the back is the longest, so I got this idea from several of my subscribers. I think the first one I saw say this was Dana Foster. She's like somebody that watches my content all the time. Shout out to her. She said that she uses a wig grip instead of the combs. And typically with all of my lace wigs, I don't wear the combs either, because I remember back in the day when I used to wear half wigs all the time, I used to wear those combs and then my edges started to thin out, and that is not what we want. We love this trend and everything with the human hair headband wigs, but we still want our edges in 2020. So I have this brand here. It's called Jex, but you can really use any brand that's on Amazon, and I'll leave a link down below. So I'm going to use my headband. I'm going to use my wig grip. I'm going to Velcro it in the back. And if you are new to wigs completely, wig grips are in existence, so you don't necessarily have to use glues and stuff to keep your wig secure all day. But it also protects your edges when you're wearing wigs, and it keeps them from sliding back. So they are pretty much an essential to wig wearing, in my opinion. I don't always wear them, but I do wear them quite often. So let's see how this goes. I mean, it's not moving. That's okay. So this is how you could wear it if you don't want to have any of your edges showing. Just have the headband right in front of your hairline. And if you suffer from hair loss, this is a good way to, you know, conceal your hairline. And so I tend to push mine back because I just like the way that looks, but you don't have to. This feels super secure though. Now if somebody is jerking, it probably will come off, but let's pull here. It's in place, y'all. I think it's pretty secure. I wouldn't mind wearing this out with the wig grip, and that's all, and then my edges are flowing and free. Okay, I love this. I think this looks really, really pretty. And it's completely dry, so I'm gonna just bring more volume to it at the top because I do like that look. The curls seem to be coming pretty much from the root. Doesn't look flat. And this is very full, so this is gonna be perfect for fall, winter. This is beautiful, 24 inches, y'all. And I'm 6 feet tall. And this is what we got going on. And I'm gonna be using this hair band here. It's for thick hair. And if I have a link, I'll put it down below. Now I'm trying to see, has the wig moved at all? A little bit, but not a lot. I just used a hairpin in the back. I'll use a few more to make sure it's secure. So I have it in a bun. Let me see how it looks with some fancier earrings. I got these earrings from Rainbow. Alright guys, so I have tried on a few headbands and I tried it up in a ponytail. So I do love how this looks all the way down, especially because it's this long. I just think this is going to be really pretty for fall, winter. So as it compares to Destiny and the Y Wigs one that I've tried already, I feel like this one is, I think it's a great affordable human hair dupe for both of those, especially my beloved Destiny. I think this is a great buy here, and I don't think you are gonna go wrong with buying something like this. With my specs, I believe it's like $180. Very affordable. The curl pattern is beautiful. I'm glad I washed it before I tried it on and everything. This density is so full and beautiful. This is you get a lot of density and a lot of hair for $180, and I think that's really, really good compared to the higher end ones that I have featured on my channel. Love those, but if you can get it for cheaper and just as good as far as quality goes, or you know, maybe a step below. The only con I have with this wig is the construction as far as the cap goes. If you do certain hairstyles, you're gonna have to wear a black wig cap just in case any of the tracks show. It's not gonna give it away that you have on a wig. But outside of that, I think this is really pretty. The curl pattern is beautiful. I love the 24 inches. I'm 6 feet tall and this is where it falls on me. It's gonna give some really good looks for fall, winter. But even, I still feel like this is very beautiful as well. It just might be a little bit too hot for right now. Yeah, the only con I have with this wig is the cap construction. Otherwise, I think this is a great wig to invest in, especially if you were a little bit turned off by the prices of the higher end ones that I've showed you. You wanted something a little bit, you wanted some length and some density, but you didn't want to have to pay, you know, $300 or whatever. That's what I have on my channel for you guys. Every price point for everybody. So $180, very good. I think this is a good buy, and after you wash it, you get this natural luster. It's not shiny. Very beautiful. So if you are interested in this wig, you can head over to Julia Hair on AliExpress. I'll have a direct link to where you can purchase it from them. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Shout out to my Premiere Squad for watching this with me. If you want to be a part of Premiere Squad, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Make sure your notifications are on, and every time I do an upload, you'll be notified. I have a wig sale coming up. Some of my headband wigs will be in there, so you know, check that out. That's going to be on Sunday the 13th. More details are going to be on my community tab, so just look there. And follow me on my Instagram, which is iFancyCupcakes. I am pretty active on there, so follow me there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and talk to me in the comment section. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.